Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Adenyas Mapishi. So I'm so happy to have you guys at this awesome morning. And today we're going to prepare something so nice and delicious. On our menu today we have potato balls. So we are doing breakfasts. In the last few days we have been doing breakfast. So today we continue with breakfast hacks, something that you can make quickly in the morning, for breakfast. So welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I must appreciate all of you for subscribing. Let's keep on subscribing, and if you like these videos, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are new here and you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and at the same time leave a comment in the section just to let me know that you have subscribed. So just write subscribed, okay? And I'm going to actually give a comment to appreciate you for being here with me today, okay? Yeah, so thank you so much. And I also encourage us to hit the notification bell so that you can actually be notified anytime I upload a new video. More videos are coming up and you don't want to miss these recipes, yeah? Very awesome recipes for breakfast, okay? Yeah, so today on our recipe we have the potato balls, and we are going to start the preparation in the next few minutes. So our ingredients today, we have, number one, we have breadcrumbs. So these are just normal breadcrumbs, okay? Number two, we have onions. So these are onions, okay? Number three, we have flour. This is normal flour. You're going to prepare a paste for coating the potatoes, and then we have turmeric. I like turmeric because of the color. It gives the potato some nice yellow color, okay? And then I have dania, okay? So this is coriander, dania, and of course I have potato already. I have already made them, so they are ready for boiling, yeah? Okay, so those are our ingredients. So we're going to get started by boiling the potatoes, okay? And then you'll proceed from there. Okay, so we're going to begin by boiling our potatoes. So I have just added water to the potatoes inside the sufuria, and then you're going to add just a small amount of salt, a pinch of salt to taste, and then you're going to add your turmeric to give it some color, just a small amount, not too much, okay? And then mix it. Okay, so just mix it. You can see it's already turning yellow, yeah? So that's the yellow color we are looking for. So just additional small amounts. I think that's enough. So just mix it and let it boil for around 20 minutes or less, plus or minus. Just make sure your potatoes are soft so that you can smash them. So let's give them some around 20 minutes and see. Yeah, okay, then you can proceed. So cover your sufuria and let the mixture stay, cook. Yeah, so our potatoes look ready. They're well boiled and soft. So let me just transfer them to a different bowl, and then we can proceed with the process. Okay, so our potato is ready, well boiled and very soft. You can see it is nicely done, and yellow. That is why we added turmeric to give it the color. So the next step, we're going to smash our potatoes using our hand smasher, and then once we smash it and it's ready, we're going to mix the other ingredients, yeah? So let's just mix it. You can see it's still very hot, There is steam coming out, So smash it well. Yeah, so when it comes to smashing, this is one of the best. You can see how it is made, so that it can make your work easy when you're smashing your potatoes or any other stuff that you wish to smash. Okay, so it looks good. Okay, you can see that it's well smashed. Okay, so we're going to add the other ingredients step by step. So I'm going to start with the onions and mix them in. Okay, mix. So at this point I like using my fork so that it can mix well. But we don't also want to smash the onions. So this is the fork is the best at this point. Okay, so at this point you are allowed to add many other spices, including pepper, including anything you want to add. But remember, our goal here is to make cooking as simple as possible. Yeah, and for me personally, I don't like pepper, so I usually don't use pepper when I'm cooking or frying anything. Okay, so the next step is to add our dania, coriander. Okay, so spread it out here. I like dania a lot, so in most of my cooking you will see I have used so much of it. Yeah, so just use according to the way you prefer, to your taste. For me, I like using a lot of it, and then mix it again. So you can see it's very easy. Yeah? Yeah, so you can add everything, anything you want, including pepper and other spices. So today we're not using spices. Maybe next time we are going to use them, but for today, no spices, just a little bit of the normal ingredients. Okay. Yeah, so it looks good, well mixed. Yeah. So the next step, we're going to put this aside and prepare our solution, our pastes, flour pastes. Basically, this is what you're going to use to coat, to use the breadcrumbs for coating. So we'll be dipping this into breadcrumbs. Okay, breadcrumbs into this. Okay, yeah, so that we coat it. Okay, yeah. So just add a little water, clean water, and mix it. Okay, let me just get a little water. So make sure it is not too thick and not too thin. Just something that is light, that you can dip in what you're going to make. At any one point, if you think it's too light, you can add flour, and if you think it is too thick, add water. So there is no hard and fast rule. So beat it nicely until all the flour is mixed. You can see what I'm doing. I'm mixing. Okay, so I used this kind of flour, all-purpose flour, so it is nothing out of the ordinary. Looks good. I feel it looks good. Okay, so that's it. So the next step, you're now going to start preparing the balls. Okay, so the next step, we're now going to prepare our potato balls. So just clean your hands, okay, and dry them, and then have your liquid oil close, because you're going to be using it to prepare them. If you don't want it to stick on your hand, then just dust your hand with oil, okay? Yeah, so just dust your hands with oil a little bit, okay, so that they don't stick, and then just take the size that you like. Okay. So just make it. So you can make them circular, or you can make them any other shape you want. Like I'm going to do another different shape. So this. So what you're going to do, you're going to dip this into your prepared flour paste. Okay. So add it here. Okay. So just rotate it in so that it is mixed well. Okay. And then add it to your breadcrumbs. Drain the excess. Add it to your breadcrumbs. Okay. Your goods. So that is, you put it there, ready for frying. Okay. And then pick the next one. Okay. So the size, you can put small, big, the way you want. Okay. There is no big deal about that. So this one I want to make it a little bit cylindrical, but flat, like a chapati. Okay, something like this. Okay, dip it inside your paste. Okay, very gently so that you don't break it. Drop it into your breadcrumbs. Okay, and put it on your plate with the serviette so that it doesn't stick. Okay, pick the next. The next. Then make your balls. Okay, drop it inside your paste, and remember the paste I've just used water and all-purpose flour, and then drop it into your breadcrumbs. Make sure they're well covered, and it's done. Put it there. Okay, do the next one. So if you feel like at any one point your hand is becoming sticky, you know what to do. just add oil, salad oil. Okay, just dust. Just a little of it is enough. It will help. It will really help. And then make your potato balls. You can flatten them if you want. Okay. Make sure you do it gently. Okay. Drop it inside your paste very gently and drop it into your breadcrumbs. Dust it well. Okay. And that is done. So do the same for all the ones you need to make, and then you can fry them. Yeah. Okay, so we are done with the preparation. You can see they are well coated and looking so beautiful. Yeah. So the next step is now to drop them into your hot oil and fry. Yeah. So let me proceed and prepare my pan, my sufuria, just to get the oil getting hot, and then we can fry them. Okay, so my oil is very ready. It's hot. So the next step is now to fry. You can see my balls. They are ready. They are arranged here. So the next step is just to add them into the oil. Yeah. So make sure you do it slowly so that you don't get burned. Yeah? Okay. So that is just to test the oil. So I can just proceed. So we finally come to the end of our cooking today. So that is our final results. So the reason why they appear darker is because of the breadcrumbs, which are already dark. So if you want them to appear bright, then you might want to use homemade breadcrumbs. But otherwise, if you're going to use commercial breadcrumbs, then they're going to be dark. So it's very normal. They're not burnt. They're just okay. So we're going to test as our routine. Okay. So I'm going to just dip into my tomato sauce and have to test. Wow, this is awesome. Make sure you try this tomorrow for breakfast. This is so sweet, so yummy. So we've come to the end of the breakfast preparation. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment, yeah? And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated of the next videos, yeah? So thank you so much and goodbye.